My name is Kosala Samarasinghe. I'm an internal medicine physician. I chose to become a doctor because from when I was very young, I noticed what my father did for a profession. I grew up in Sri Lanka. My father was a physician. My uncle was also a physician. And I loved what they did and how they took care of people. And my father always spoke about how grateful people were for what he did, and he took care of people. I moved here when I was about 7 years old. My parents thought this would be a better opportunity for us. So I still go back to Sri Lanka every few years. I take my kids, I have 2 young kids, and I show them where I was born and relatives there. I think they get a great appreciation for life outside of the United States. And the most satisfying part of my job is when I walk into that patient room and I know the patient and they're able to carry on a conversation with me and they realize that I have their best interest. And I think it's very rewarding to be able to sit there and for them to tell me about their family and how they're doing and what their expectations are. We talk a lot about medicine, but we also talk a lot about their family and how they're doing and what they like to do. I chose primary care because my father was also a primary care physician, as well as my uncle. In residency, I noticed that being a primary care physician, I was able to take care of my patients and continue to follow my patients as they aged through each disease process. And this way, there was a lot of continuity of care. What I believe is the most important part of the doctor-patient relationship is that my patients come to me and they trust me to do the best thing for them and to take care of their needs and make sure that they're doing well. I think everybody should have a primary care physician. I believe it's the basis for preventative health. It's about prevention, preventative care. I think when you're healthy and you're maintaining good activities and then you're able to live longer, I think you're able to prevent diseases, you're able to stay healthy.